Alright guys, so what we have here is for upholstery. So we're going to review a 3-way professional staple gun by Rexbeti, and model number is REX065, and I got this from Amazon. So let's go ahead and measure the box dimension. So that's 12.5, almost 13 inches, then 11.5 inches, then the width is almost 2 inches. All right, so let's unbox it. So I bought it from Amazon at the range of I think like $16, including tax. Okay, so it has this kind of staples included. Oh, the 12 millimeter, yeah, these 3 right here. So they also included a manual on how to adjust the pressure. So we have the staple remover, the staple itself, and there you go. So we will now gonna try this, if how good is this one, if it's a good buy or it's a bad buy. Okay, so first we're gonna try this one first, the crown staples. So let me open this one up, and we're gonna try it into 3 different woods. So here how you're gonna load it, just like that, and then return this and push it in, and then lock it in place. Then I'm gonna put this one aside for now. So we have a common board here, and we also have the redwood here, and we have another, this one is pine woods, I believe. Okay, because it says pine, so I'm not really sure, but yeah, it looks like it. So we're gonna test this one out, if how good this one is for the redwood first. Okay, very good. How about on the pine? Of course. How about for the pine wood? Yeah, it does the job. All right, so that's that. Let's now try the U-type staples and brad nails. So this is the U-type and this is the brad nails. Okay, so we're just gonna unload the crown staple. So okay, let's try the U staple first. So same thing, we're gonna load it just like that, but this time it's gonna be in the middle, just like that. Slide it in, then insert this one again. Okay, now it's loaded, so let's try it out. First on the redwood. Okay, Okay, so I think that's normal. because I think that's its purpose for the wires. Let's try it on the common wood. Also the same, okay, which is good. And then try it on the pine wood. Also same result. Okay, now let's proceed with the brad nails. So okay, by pulling this one down, I press this one again and then pull it down to release it, like just like that. There you go. And then the brad nails will be right here. Let's see. Okay, so we got it. So for you to load this one, it has to be on this side or either this side, either one, either side. Okay, so because based on this one, they recommended it to load it on the right side. Okay, so just like that, and then do the same thing. Looks like it's not locking. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it looks fine. There we go. There you go, now it's locked in place. Let's try it first on the redwood. There you go. It's not really flat, but yeah, it's just the same thing as this one. Okay, I think it's good. I think it's just gonna be like that. It's very good actually. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's try it on the pine. Yeah, same result, which is very good. Okay, now time to remove the brad nails. Okay, now let's try this one again. Let's see how accurate it is if you're gonna use it on the wire. Okay, so we're just gonna pretend that this is gonna be the wire. Okay, so I'm gonna try it for the so here's gonna be the pattern. See this? So you're gonna put it right there. So that's gonna be the so that's gonna be the just like that, the center. There you go. It's good. It's very clean. Let's try it on the redwood. Okay, very clean as well. Let's try it on the pine wood. Okay, I didn't hit the center though, but it works good. It's really tight. So all right, so that's it for the sample on the testing side. Testing side. Now let's do the let me just unload this. Okay, so it's no more. And then let's see the measurement. Let's check the measurement of the actual staple gun. Okay, so it's 6 inches in length. How about on the grip? Because it has this, so let's say like this, 3 3.3 inches. So 3.3 inches. So this is a compact one. So I'm 5'7", so my height is 5'7", so I think it's not gonna be appropriate for you guys if you're, I mean, if you're taller than, probably if you were like 5'9", 5'10" and up. But if you prefer this compact one, you just have to use 3 fingers basically, or just the tip of your 3 fingers on the on the 3 fingers from here in the middle through the pinky, for you to able to use it. Unlike me, I can use my 4 fingers. Okay, so, and this is how you're gonna adjust the pressure on how deep you wanted the staples to be buried on the wood. Okay, so that's that. So let's try how the oh, by the way, I forgot to check the dimension of the height. So it's 4.5 to 5, because if you adjust this, if you're gonna adjust this one up, so it's gonna hit the 5 inches mark. So let's try now the staple remover. I haven't. Okay, let's try the staple remover right here. How's it gonna work? So insert it like that, and then probably, I don't really know how to use this one, so comment below if you know. So insert it just like that. It's kind of hard, so there you go. There you go. This one is kind of a little bit hard because it's a little bit narrower. So basically this one I can't even do this. So I'm gonna so it's kind of hard to use this one on the U-type staple, and of course it's gonna be impossible to remove the what kind of staple is that? The brad nails. So but anyway, it's a good purchase. I like the product, so yeah, it's very cheap and it's very good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's just right. I think it's, I'm gonna rate this, actually I'm gonna give this a 5-star. Yeah, 5-star. Yeah, in my opinion. Alrighty, hope you like this video guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share or comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.